Hi, Pat Taylor of Learn with Pat here, and I want to introduce you to my series, 39 Days to Online Success. This is my clear-cut, step-by-step process of what you need to do to start earning money online. I'm going to lay out a systematic approach to building your base of operations so that in 39 days, you'll be ready to focus on blasting out content and driving massive traffic to your offer. These are core building blocks that are common to every niche. Whether you're completely online or you want to augment your brick and mortar business with a powerful internet presence to crush your less technically savvy competition, I'm going to be 100% honest with you here. Over 95% of would-be internet marketers never earn a nickel online. I think the reason for this is that most people have no idea where to start, and there's so much information out there that people tend to jump from course to course, and they never get any traction in any one method. This is called shiny object syndrome. It's a common affliction among internet marketers just starting out. And because you're just starting out, you don't know the difference between good information and bad information, and there's a lot of bad information out there. Most of the courses telling you that earning money online is easy and that you can just do it by pressing a few buttons for 5 minutes per day are full of bad info. And as one of my really successful mentors once said, if there really was a course out there where you could earn money with no effort and no knowledge required, I would know about it because I've been looking for that course for 2 decades and I haven't found it yet. But he went on to say that most people who find success are like factory workers. They have a job, they know they go to work with their lunch pail in their hard hat, they know what they need to do every day, and they go to their computer, roll up their sleeves, and get the job done. It's not glamorous, it's boring and tedious, but it works. And because they use the power of leverage and scaling afforded by computers and the internet, they're able to earn a lot more money than the most productive factory worker. My 39 days to online success takes what I've learned over a decade of application, thousands of dollars of my own hard-earned money. It's spent from learning from the best internet marketers, and it boils it down to a series of emails that clears the confusion and clutter and builds a solid foundation for you. Now, I can't promise you'll make millions. I can't even promise you'll make any money at all. I don't know you. I don't know your technical aptitude. I don't know your work ethic. And I don't even know if you're going to take any action with this information. But one thing I can promise, if you do nothing, in 39 days, you'll still be stuck in the same position you are today, stuck, confused, broke, and frustrated. I can absolutely guarantee if you take this course and apply it diligently that you will be further toward your goal in 39 days than you might have even thought possible. And here is the really cool thing. My course is free. Gratis, no charge. Most marketers holding themselves out as gurus charge a ton of money for this information. I've seen courses not as good as the one that you're about to embark on going for upwards of $8,000. Now, you might be asking right now, so what's in it for you? Are you running a charitable enterprise, Pat? And so I'm going to be 100% transparent with you here. There are certain products and services that you are going to need if you're going to set up online. And I earn an affiliate commission if you purchase these products that I recommend to you through my link. It's as simple as that. Now, I believe wholeheartedly in the products I recommend. I use or have used all of them, just about. It's taken me years of research and thousands of dollars of my own money to determine which products are useful and which are just dogs. And I'm going to share with you the good ones, not the dogs. So you're free to use my recommendations or not. You can purchase from me or not. But if you find my information useful, then I hope that you will reciprocate my generosity and purchase through my links. That's all. The labor is worthy of his hire, right? So it's time to get to work. Somewhere on this page, there's a link, there's a sign-up box, and there'll be some instructions on what to do next. So what I need you to do now is follow those instructions and sign up. And then, and this is very, very important, I need you to go check your email and whitelist my emails. If you're using Gmail, be sure that my emails are going into your primary email folder. Put my name and email in your contacts. Be sure my emails are not going to your spam folder. The emails that you're going to get over the next 39 days are important. You need to read them. You need to study them. And most importantly, you need to apply them. If you don't focus and take massive action, nothing is going to change for you. You won't acquire any new knowledge. You're not going to develop any new skills, right? Your life is not going to change if you do nothing with these emails. And in 39 days, you're just going to be 39 days older than you are today. I want more than that for you. But here's the thing. I can't want success for you more than you want success for you. So I'm going to ask for your undivided attention for the next 39 days. I'm going to ask that you not start any other courses from any other marketers. We're going to try to nip, shiny object syndrome in the butt right here. I need you to focus and open your daily emails and actually do the homework, right, that you're assigned. I promise the homework won't be too difficult. It's definitely less difficult than working for 40 years at a job that barely pays your bills and keeps you broke and wondering how you're going to survive in your golden years, right? So turn off Netflix. Tell your Facebook friends that you're taking a break for 39 days and you'll have some exciting news to share with them when you return. Forget about painting your house for the next 39 days. Tell your family that you're going to be focused on an important project for the next 39 days, so you may not be as available as usual. In short, set yourself up for success. Focus on this course for 39 days. I promise it will open up your eyes to a completely new world of opportunity. So, let's get to work.